Hi guys, in this lecture we are going to create a complete project using pre-comps and other animation also, but I need to show you what you can do with pre-comps, and from there on you can be on your own and do extraordinary projects. The pre-comp project is with you, the one that I worked very slowly on it. You can find it in pre-comp projects, but we are going to work in the project lecture here where we don't have any files yet. So I will start by creating the first composition, that is 1280 by 720, and I'll give it 10 seconds, is okay, and call it a pre-comp dash project for the lesson. Cool. Now this is my pre-composition and the background is black. That's okay. I will start by putting some text. I will use the Nexalite. I will write, for example, motion graphics, motion, and remove the uppercase. Cool. And no bold, make it smaller. Yes. Here duplicate that and make graphics. Now we want motion and graphic to be the same size. I think that will do, like this. Cool. I will take these two. Oh, let's correct the mistake here. It's graphics, I was wondering, and motion will go bigger. Fine. Then I will take these two here and I will pre-compose and call pre-comp motion. So notice all my pre-compositions and compositions are coming inside this folder here. Being in the pre-comp, I will delimit it, use the area of interest. That's okay, in fact. Cool. Come to composition, say crop composition. Now I want to animate it. I will come at let's say 11 frames here. Open the position, that's the easiest way for now, and keyframe both of them. Here you are. I'll come back to the beginning. I'll take the first text and move it to the left, and take the second text and move it to the right. Cool. I will put motion blur and enable it in the composition. Play a preview here. Not bad. Come back to my main composition. You can see that I have the composition here and it starts motion graphics. That's very good. It's a bit big. Let's make it smaller. I will make it smaller like this. Okay, there are no keyframes here. Now after it comes in, let's run it. It comes in, and at 1 second, for example, here, what I want to do is to open the rotation, keyframe the rotation, go back to just a bit and rotate it 180 degrees. I think so. Actually, no, we want to rotate it minus 90 degrees. Yes, and in the same time now, after it rotates, I will press Shift and P, keyframe the position, move a bit here, and hold it and take it to the side here. That's it. So this is our animation. You notice how we combined the animations all together. You have the animation within the composition that you can change anytime, and you have keyframes here and animation for the rotation and the position within the main composition. Fine. So when it arrives here, now I want to create some more text. I will start by putting the text here, and this is very big. Let's make it small. Okay, from we click, or I control enter, and I will duplicate once, take my selection tool, twice selection tool, and here you are. From AE, for example, control enter, double click, school online. Of course you can put any text you like. I think you have enough of school online and so on. I will move the snapping, put this one here on top, that's where I want it, and this one I will select them all, come to align them left, and distribute them. That's okay, that's not bad. Fine. I will come now and pre-compose all of them. I will call here like from, that's okay, and I have the pre-comps now. I'm in the pre-comp. I will choose the area of interest, give it some space here, take it down, open it more, give it some space so we can see it, coming in. Cool, that will be enough. Then I will come to composition and say crop to comp. Fine. I will come at few seconds, maybe 10, that will be good. Open the position again, keyframe the position, and then at the beginning here I want from to come from this side. In fact, all of them, I will select all of them to come from this side, and even from to come from here. That's very fine. I want to test and see is the speed okay. Not bad, the speed is not bad, but from starts, then there is AE, then there is school, then there is online. That's it. If you run the animation now, cool, we give them motion blur all together and test it again. Okay, not bad. Let's go to our main pre-composition or composition, and we bring these ones here, but we don't want this animation, it's a bit big. Let's make it smaller. We don't want this animation to start from here. We want it to start as soon as this guy stands here. Okay, this one will start. So notice what's happening between pre-comps, and cool, not bad. I will come over here and I want to put in new text. I will say awesome, and then duplicate it. We say simple, small capitals, and here we write techniques. I hope you like my techniques, seriously. Now awesome, let's make it bold, for example. Simple, let's make it very big, to be as big as awesome. Now this is awesome. Then we can put techniques here and make it as big as simple. Yeah, not bad. Okay, let's align them and see. We come to align, we align them left, and maybe we distribute them. Cool. I will take the three of them and pre-compose and say here it is awesome. Yep, we forgot the space, we put the space. Here you are. Then arriving here, we need to determine the area of interest. I will do that. I'm gonna take this one up a bit. Cool. I will come in the beginning, go to 10 frames will do. Open the position, keyframe the positions, but I'm gonna go back just a bit here and take awesome a bit further. Then go to the beginning. Awesome will come from the bottom. Okay, simple will come from this side and techniques will come from this side. Then I can go composition, crop composition. Let's see our animation. Not bad. Of course, awesome will come first, then techniques, then the other one. Let's see what's happening here. Did we make it? I will go to preview. Not bad. You have the bouncing of awesome. That's cool. I will go to the main pre-composition, and of course this one is gonna come after this layer has settled. Okay, so it starts here and we'll put it here. Cool. Let's look at our animation now. It's coming in. Awesome technique. Fine. Now to make it more fun, I'm gonna take a shape, and while I'm here, everything is here. I'm gonna take that shape and make it pretty big. I like the color here. Fine. And that shape in the beginning, let's open position. It will be, they're coming in. That shape will be keyframed, and then we move a bit and we keyframe it again. We go back to the beginning. We can hold it and move it backward here. And here you are. Let's look at it. Cool. And then the shape will cover everything. The shape is coming too soon. Give it some time. So let's add some text now. We add beautiful. Cool. And we put it here. We duplicate this one, is the right size. We write effective. That's okay. Let's make them a bit bigger to fill the whole space. I will come here and pre-compose the two layers. Pre-compose and say here awesome or beautiful, whatever, anyone you want. Beautiful. Then when coming here, I can work on the area of interest. I will be okay. Cool. That's it. composition, crop composition. Now I need to animate these ones. First of all, I'll take care of the anchor points. Let's put them in the middle. We do snapping to be very precise, and also here we can snap it in the middle. Fine. Effective, I'm gonna open rotation and give it -90 or -180 or +80, it doesn't matter. I like that. So it's coming up upside down. So we'll select both of them, go to few frames, just few frames, 9, and press B, keyframe them here, come back to the beginning. One comes from above, we need the selection tool, and one comes from down. Let's look at the timing. Is it good enough or they are slow? Okay, that's okay. Then after some time here, let's say 1 second, we are going to open the rotation, keyframe the rotation here a bit. After that, we're gonna put it back to 0. It goes back to normal. Here you are, and it goes back to normal. I like that. Then when we come here, we have beautiful. Of course, we don't want to start here, so this one will come as soon as finished coming. You have beautiful coming in, and here you are. All your animation is cool, done in 10-15 minutes while explaining to you. Now honestly, if you come to the composition setting and you change the background here to something dark gray, the whole composition will have much more meaning. Okay, so the shape layer needs to change colors. I will make it a bit lighter and it will do. Okay, here you are. Let's look at our animation. Fantastic, it's working. Now you learned a lot here, believe me. Now the first thing you learned that we can pre-compose. So either I can set the text here and pre-compose them, or create a composition with the text and put it here, and how to animate the compositions using keyframes in the main composition. Now notice how neat is your comp. There are not 55,000 layers. Anytime you want to change a comp, all you have to do is to come to it and double click, and here you are within the pre-comp, and you can change anything you want. If you want to change the motion, for example, just double click on it. It's over here, and you can change whatever you want, including the text. Thanks for listening. This was a good practice for using pre-composition and creating a whole motion graphic. Small project, but still it's a good project. See you in the next lecture.